Behind every great AI-generated asset is a strong prompt, and not all prompts are created equal. A few well-chosen words can be the difference between almost right and exactly what you've imagined. That's why prompting is a skill, one that grows with practice. When you learn how to prompt well, you're not just using AI, you're shaping it into a tool that brings your ideas to life faster, more beautifully, and with more control. So, what exactly is a prompt? A prompt is your creative starting point, a short phrase or sentence that tells a generative AI tool what to produce. Think of it like giving direction to a very literal assistant. The clearer and more intentional your prompt, the better the results. Take this example: dog running in a park. Simple, right? But behind the scenes, a lot is happening. Generative AI models, like Adobe Firefly, break down your prompt word by word. Each term becomes a building block in the final output. Dog, running, park. Firefly takes each word literally. That's why you don't need extra phrases like please draw or make an image of. Those can actually throw things off and confuse the model. And here's something important. Firefly creates from a single prompt, so you shouldn't ask it to edit or reference an output from a previous prompt. Each prompt is a fresh start, a single moment of creative direction. Now let's zoom out for a second. See, prompting isn't one size fits all. It actually changes with the medium. What works for one format may not work for another. For instance, prompting for images works differently from prompting for video. And it's more than just swapping terms. Each format has its own best practices and structure. So even if you're confident with image prompts, video will bring new challenges as you think about movement. Keep in mind that just like media formats, what works in Firefly might not translate to other tools either. Each model interprets prompts a bit differently, with its own strengths and quirks. That's why prompt fluency is so important. And the best way to stay sharp? Doing this. Learning from the pros, trial and error, and getting hands-on practice. As generative AI tools evolve, so do the skills to use them well. Remember, you're not just typing words. Treat prompting with precision and creativity. Your words are your blueprint.